The words of grandfather from the previous night had sunk deep into Ali's heart. The next morning, he woke up early, as if some new secret was waiting for him. Ali sitting up. Grandfather, should I feel important about myself? Sometimes I feel I'm just an ordinary boy. Grandfather smiling. Ali, my son, that is a very special question. Yes, you should feel important, but not with pride, with gratitude. Ali, with gratitude? Grandfather, yes. Knowing that Allah created you, that alone makes you special. Having confidence in yourself is a way of thanking Allah for His blessings. This is not arrogance, this is gratitude. Ali, grandfather, should I polish my talents? But why? Grandfather, of course. The gifts Allah gave you are not meant just to keep hidden, they are meant to be used. When we polish our talents with effort, we become the best version of ourselves, the kind of person who benefits others. Ali thinking, Grandfather, if I become a good person, then will I really be able to do something for others? Will I make a difference? Grandfather, with a smile. Yes, Ali, my son. You can do so much for others. You can give help, give courage, give comfort, create something new. When you grow and improve yourself, you help make the world better. Ali with shining eyes. Then, grandfather, with these special gifts inside me, what responsibilities do I have? Grandfather, his voice deep and gentle. These gifts are a trust, Ali. They must be used for truth, justice, and goodness. Never waste them in laziness or in wrong paths. Always stand with the truth, even if you must stand alone. A good person does not live only for himself. He helps others, speaks the truth, does justice, and makes the world a better place. This is the beauty of Islam, making life easier for others. Ali thinking deeply. So, grandfather, if I use my gifts in good deeds, does that mean they have a purpose? Does that become my responsibility? Grandfather, seriously. Yes, Ali. Every blessing from Allah is a trust. If you have knowledge, you must share it. If you have love, you must spread it. If you have passion, you must use it for goodness. That is responsibility. Ali. And grandfather, as a Muslim, what are my duties? Grandfather, his eyes glowing with light. A Muslim is someone who shares Allah's message with the world, with love, justice, truth, and mercy. You must learn, practice, and then invite others toward goodness. That is your mission. That is the journey of your life. And remember, Allah will be with you in every step you take for goodness. Ali with determination. Grandfather, I want to learn. I want to know myself, and I want to please Allah. Ali, my son, you have taken the very first step, the step of knowing yourself and connecting with Allah. This is the moment when ordinary people begin their journey to become great. Ali, excitedly. Grandfather, I will learn, I will grow, and whatever I have, I will use for Allah's pleasure. Grandfather, gently. Remember, my son, when you live for Allah, He opens doors for you greater than your dreams. When you live for Allah, He opens doors greater than your dreams. Ali, his voice filled with passion. I want to become light, grandfather. A light that not only shines itself, but also drives away the darkness. Grandfather falls silent. His eyes glisten with joy, peace, and hope. Grandfather, and that, my son, is the true meaning of befriending the Quran. Not just to read it, but to live it. To become a Muslim who shines with love, justice, kindness, and truth. The clouds above rumble softly, as if the heavens themselves are agreeing. Ali looks up at the sky and whispers in his heart. Ali, in his heart. Oh, Allah, make me what you want me to be. I want to be your light on this earth. Crescent moon, and so, Ali's search for himself became a search for his Lord. Because the one who truly knows himself also finds his Creator.